having a Thomas Wayne Rally Collection video. Please enjoy. Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Stanley, Samson, Lady, Philip, Salty, Stephen, Emily, Timothy, Sydney, Harvey, Spencer, Dustin, Hugo, and Porter. Faces if you didn't see them correctly. Gauge engines: Scarlowi, Linnaeus, Bertram, Coldy, and Victor. My only Archdale engine. My 9 rail vehicles: Birdie, Alfie, Ned, Patrick, George, Terrence, Trevor, Harold, and a plane. Cranky, and the breakdown train. Alpha Male stock. Catheter works unit coach. Old slow coach. Dealt with Thomas coach. By cargo cars. Cargo cars came with Cranky. Holiday Lights car. 2 happy birthday cars. Celebration car, I think it's called. Corey cars. Glow in the dark cargo cars. Colonial Royal cargo cars. Dino Fossil car. Sweet Special. Milk Taker. Youngsters Tanker. Squid car. For some reason I can't find a shark car. Oh well. Chinese Dragon. Hand car. Greek cargo car. My brake vans. Winter Caboose. Soda Line Caboose. Dealt with Thomas Caboose. And Soda Line Caboose. Extra engines. Custom myself. Don't hit me for copyright strike for that. Like the sounds of Thomas. Winter Wonderland Thomas. Pete Spider Thomas. Thomas and a Sticky Fish. Cheese Cover Thomas. Happy Birthday Thomas. 2015 Thomas. 1942 Thomas. Battery Operated Thomas. Henry. Tender Without Henry. Gordon. James. Old Style Percy. Custom Percy Engine 619. Bill and Ben from the Rally series. Sorry. Celebration Salty. Extra Timothy. Knockoff Brod's Diesel. Battery Operated Diesel. Battery Operated Spencer. Rolling Whistle Charlie. Battery Operated Victor. Customs. Diesel 183 and JMZ. Here's my one destination, and that's the Sting Boxer Station. My 2 order items are Thomas and Percy. That was my Thomas Wayne Rally collection. Thank you all very much for watching.